dear students. Welcome to EVS class. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. In the last class, we have learned about different forms of water, water cycle, and sources of water. Today we are going to learn chapter 16, water supply and water pollution. Children, look at the pictures carefully. The water from which of these sources cannot be used for drinking and other domestic uses? Yes, we cannot use seawater for drinking and other domestic uses because it is salty. Our first topic is supply of water. We know that the main source of water is rain, and lack of rain in many places creates scarcity of water. Scarce means not present in a great quantity. In big cities and towns, the water may be supplied from nearby river, canal, lake or ground. This water is purified and stored in big tanks, from where it is supplied to our homes through pipelines and taps. We know that people living in villages get water from wells, tube wells, ponds, and rivers. This water is used for irrigation and household purposes. In some areas, people have to walk a long distances to bring water from its source. Our next topic is purification of drinking water. Water from various sources may contain disease-causing germs and impurities. So water that reaches to our homes through pipelines is treated and purified before we use it. What is water purification? Water purification is the process through which contaminants from water are removed to make it potable or fit for human consumption. It involves the following steps: sedimentation, filtration, and chlorination. For this, water from various sources is first pumped to the water treatment plant. Then it goes through a filtration process to remove sediments in a sedimentation tank through sand and gravel filters. This water is then treated with certain chemicals in a chlorination tank to remove germs, toxic minerals, and other impurities. This purified water is then stored in a closed tank and is supplied to our homes through pipes. Once again, the processes involved in water purification are sedimentation, filtration, and chlorination. I hope you understood the process of purification of drinking water. We know that seawater is salty and cannot be used for drinking. But after removing soluble salts from seawater, we can drink it. So the process of removing salts from the seawater is known as desalination. If we drink or use water that has been exposed to flies or contaminated by dirty hands, the germs get transferred to our bodies and start to multiply in our stomach and intestines and cause diseases. Drinking impure water can cause waterborne diseases like typhoid, jaundice, diarrhea, cholera, etc. So we have to practice some good water habits. Now let us learn some good water habits. Children, we should boil or filter water before drinking. Water for drinking and cooking should store in clean closed containers. We should not put our hands into drinking or cooking water. Take out water from deep containers with the help of a ladle. I hope you understood some good water habits. Our next topic is water pollution. Water is one of the most valuable resources provided to us by nature. We use water for so many purposes. While doing so, we make water very dirty. So water pollution is the addition of undesirable things in water bodies. Now let us learn some causes of water pollution. Washing clothes, utensils, and bathing in water bodies can cause water pollution. Dumping garbages into water bodies is a common cause for water pollution. Another reason is disposing sewage into water bodies. And dumping and disposing chemical waste from factories into water bodies can cause water pollution. So water pollution is dangerous to all forms of life. Water pollution destroys the habitat of aquatic animals and disturbs their living patterns. So many countries are now taking steps to cut down pollution, regulate shipping, and reduce the dumping of harmful waste into water bodies. Aquatic animals include all the animal, fish, and bird life in water bodies. Animals and fish found in seas and oceans are known as marine life. Can you say some aquatic animals? Yes, fish, ducks, crabs, turtles, dolphins, seals, whales, etc. Our next topic is saving water. About 97% of the water on the earth is in the seas and oceans, and it is salty. 2% is present in the form of ice caps or glaciers. Therefore, only 1% of water is available for human consumption. Children, water is a precious natural resource, so we should use it carefully and not waste or pollute it. Now let us do the exercise part. Our first exercise is choose the correct option. Number 1. Water is filtered in a option A sedimentation tank, B chlorination tank, C hand pump. Correct option is option A sedimentation tank. Number 2. Dash causes water pollution. Option A desalination, B dumping of waste in the water bodies, C filtering water. Correct option is option B dumping of waste in the water bodies. Number 3. Which of these is not a good water habit? Option A boiling water, B storing water in closed containers, C putting hands in water for cooking. Correct option is option C putting hands in water for cooking. Number 4. Which of these is a waterborne disease? Option A cholera, B malaria, C cancer. Correct option is option A cholera. Number 5. Dash percent of the earth's water is salty. Option A 66, B 79, C 97. Correct option is option C 97. Next exercise is write T for true or F for false. Number 1. Water purification is the removal of contaminants from water to make it potable. That is true. Number 2. Washing clothes in a river does not pollute it. That is false. Number 3. Only 1% of water on earth is available for human consumption. That is true. Number 4. Humans dump a lot of industrial waste into rivers and seas. That is true. Number 5. Aquatic animals include all the animal, fish and bird life in water bodies. That is true. Our next exercise is fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash is drawn using hand pumps. Correct answer is groundwater. Number 2. Dash is the process through which contaminants from water are removed to make it potable. Correct answer is water purification. Number 3. Filtered water is treated with certain chemicals in dash tanks. Answer is chlorination tanks. Number 4. Waterborne diseases are caused by drinking dash water. Answer is impure water. Number 5. Many oceanic areas and seas are being marked for dash and care of aquatic animals. Answer is conservation.